Okay guys, so it's Monday and let's start Monday off with a little song for the vlog. So let's go get this song.
Thank gosh it's Monday.
Will you pipe down? You're the only moron in the whole world who actually likes Monday.
Dude, I gotta ask what's his face if he wants to wrestle sometime.
Who?
Nate?
Hey, wrestle him right here.
Yeah, right there. Are you recording? Yeah. We'll be y'all's ring.
It's right here.
And they try to leave, push him towards the middle. No.
Okay. It's recording. Thanks.
Oh wow! Thanks for stating the
What did you think that was done? Oh shoot, it's recording.
What's up, bro?
Oh wait, where do I look at?
You look at the.
Is that the thing I look at? Hold up.
Yes, we're keeping it.
You're supposed to look
We're
at.
keeping
No,
it
no, no, hold on.
PG-13, okay?
You just have to talk like this and
PG-13, we're keeping it PG.
Holy sh**.
Oh, you can hear it? I'm just kidding.
today on ASMR.
No, look. Hello, guys. We're doing ASMR today.
Tomorrow.
What is up guys? So it's Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday, but so my outfit today, got this Nike shirt on with the windbreaker, these pants on up and Jordan Skies. Okay, so yeah, let's go into the school vlog for today.
Look, it's recording. It has a red dot.
Okay, guys. Today What are you doing today? School vlogs with. Do you say Teddy and Isaiah?
Hello guys, this is news channel Cooper High School.
Oh wait, stop it. You're gonna edit it, brother.
Today's forecast is very rainy. It's flooding outside. As you see this way line. Push back. Don't mind him. He's just training. Anyway, outside.
I need to change my seat.
Can I please tell the forecast without any interruptions, please? Thank you. As I was saying before, I kept on being rudely interrupted. Several of. Can you please stop playing with my?
I'm gonna get you this in the vlog one day.
Why does girls always do that? I know. Then they be on Snapchat like
A girl in her feelings.
Dang.
damn, look at this nigga's nostril.
Exactly. No one gets carried away with the camera.
He does.
Why are you stroking their thingy? How much is that mic? How much was the camera?
Tabs open.
I don't know.
Hey, we got you in the vlog.
Bye. Hey, so Jeremiah, what's up with you? Oh, God.
Now,
What's up with Tim?
Piggyback right on the way to the test. She just.
I'm about to tell Isaac.
Isaac. Our son's boyfriend. He's not talking so. He just said he said he's
He says that he's gay?
No, he said.
no, like he's sus like that. Look like he'll steal something from you.
Oh, yeah, we were scared that he's gonna steal our shit from our mom.
Me?
He looked like that type of person.
Yeah.
It's not downloading.
That song goes hard. Where's Baby Joker? She said she
I
wanted
know
to play.
it's like not like
Baby Joker goes hard. I'm joking.
Oh, you can vlog people, but you can't get in it.
That's what I told him, bro. That's
How does that even work?
This dude, she's over here. Oh my God. Stop it.
What? That I love you song?
Like this is some something my mom would listen to.
This nigga said, all this shit goes to.
What is up, guys? So it's Friday right now. I'm about to go to this football game in a bit. Not about to, but like I'm gonna go to a football game soon, and I'm wearing these pants. These I don't even know. I got them from Paxson, and then I think I'm just gonna wear the Adidas shoes, just because they're nice, easy, and comfy. Or I might wear something else, I really don't know. But I think I'm just gonna wear the Adidas shoes to make it easy. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm gonna vlog. I have to have my stuff inside of a clear bag, so let's put it in a clear bag and let's go.
Hey guys, Carlos here.
Upside down.
Why is it upside down again? Is it red? Oh, we're at the football game right now. We're losing. Okay, bye.